Okay, Mom. This is what they call a platano. It's basically a green banana. It will not turn yellow. It stays green, but this is ripe. So these platanos, and here's what I'm going to do with these platanos. So I took the green peeling off, as you can see, and it kind of looks like a banana inside. It's harder, of course. It feels more like a potato. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to cut these up just like that. Cut all this rest of it up just like this. And then I'm going to boil them in a pot and put some salt and pepper in there. I don't have any butter, but they're going to taste like a potato. So I'll show you the finished results. So when the platanos are finished cooking, this is what they look like. They look exactly like a potato. So season them up and enjoy.